Hello students, in previous video I explained you the summary of my childhood. What is the chapter about? This one is the story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and this extract or this part of story is taken from his autobiography Wings of Fire, and in this autobiography he speaks about his childhood. Now today we start the question answer of textbook. Question number 1. Answer these question in 1 or 2 sentences each. You have to write these answers in 1 or 2 sentences. First one is, where was Abdul Kalam's house? So answer is, Abdul Kalam's house was on the Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. Question number 2. What do you think Dinamani is the name of, and give a reason for your answer? So answer of that question is Dinamani. Abdul Kalam looked for the stories of Second World War, and about the war the headlines in Dinamani. So obviously Dinamani was the name of a newspaper. So you write the answer, Abdul Kalam looked for the stories about the war in the headlines of Dinamani, and Dinamani was the name of newspaper. Question number 3. Who were Abdul Kalam's school friends and what did they later become? Answer is Ramananda Shastri, Arvindam and Shiva Prakashan were Abdul Kalam's school friends. Ramananda becomes high priest of Rameshwaram temple because from his father was also a priest of that temple. Arvindam took to transport business, and Shiva Prakashan became a catering contractor for the Southern Railways. Question number 4. How did Abdul Kalam earn his first wages? Abdul Kalam ने जो पहले अपनी कमाई की थी वो क्या थी, कैसे थी? In third paragraph, students, you get the answer that Abdul Kalam helped his cousin Samsuddin to catch bundles of newspapers from the running train. Thus he earned his first wages. Had he earned any money before that? In what way? क्या उन्होंने उसके पहले कोई कमाई की थी? किस तरह से? Answer is yes, he had earned some money before also. He collected tamarind seeds and sold them to a provisions shop, and thus earned 1 anna for his day's collection of tamarind seeds. Second question, students, answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. Means you have to write both the answers in about 30 words or in a paragraph. Question number 1 is, how does the author describe? Author ने किस तरह से describe किया है? His father अपने पिता को, his mother अपनी माँ को, and himself अपने आप को. In first paragraph, students, you get the answer like first. Abdul Kalam was a short boy with ordinary looks. His father, Jalaluddin, was an austere man. He did not have formal education, but he had innate wisdom. And his mother was kind and generous, and his mother's name is Ashiamma. So you get this answer from here. The answer you write like Abdul Kalam was a short boy with ordinary looks. His father, Jalaluddin, was an austere man. He did not have formal education, but he had innate wisdom, and his mother was kind and generous. Next, what characteristics does he say he inherited from his parents? उन्होंने कौन से characteristics बताए जो उन्होंने अपने parents से inherit किए थे, लिए थे? In that answer, students, you write, according to Abdul Kalam, he inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father, and from his mother he inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness. So students, you have to write all the answers in your fair notebook.